Everybody, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best.
And he's here with Aidan.
And today we're going to repair a sliding screen door that's not ours. We don't sell adjustable sliding screen doors. And we got the dogs here. It's okay. We're shooting a video. It's okay. And so we're going to repair this adjustable sliding screen doors that's from one of the big box stores. So have you ever worked on any of these types of sliding screen doors?
No, only like heavy duty and whatnot.
And
I have,
custom, right?
I think one. Maybe one in a hotel.
Oh, that's right. No, that was Hawaii.
Hawaii, yeah.
Yeah, we shot a video in Hawaii. We repaired the sliding glass door and the screen door while we were there. But he did it with the butter knife. I remember. That was awesome. Yeah. So check out the video, that previous video. That's awesome. So, okay, you want to get started?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. What's wrong with it? You see how it's dropping here?
Yeah, I see.
Okay, it's on the track now, but it needs to. He's going to wait, Aidan. So it has to shoot there. It's going to go up like that. So he has to adjust it from down there. So go ahead and. Okay. Go up higher. Higher. Here. Going. See that? It's got to come up. So he's going to adjust it from down there. So.
It's this guy right here. It's not the same like any other ones. It's weird. I have to take off this screw, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's one of the biggest problems with these doors, these screen doors.
Is that you have to take off.
Okay, not all the way. That's enough.
That's
and
it?
then just pull it up. There you go. And then tighten it down.
Oh, this is easy. I thought it was hard.
Pull it up more.
I'm at a weird angle. Look at that. All done.
Okay. Does it slide?
Let's check. Oh, look at that. Smooth.
It does go smooth. Well, to make it smoother, we're going to actually do our good old
aluminum, which we sell at bestcustomscreens.com.
Get the wheels too. The other track. Yeah, there you go. That's good.
I gotta go get my grandson.
Look at that. Look, it's even smoother.
Oh, there you go.
So that's how you do it, right?
Yeah.
Easy fix. So it's easy to fix, but it's also I mentioned to the customer, it's going to probably loosen again and fall again. So it's just nature of the beast. The style of door just has some flaws in the design.
Yeah.
Either way, we showed you how to fix it. And if you want to get a custom screen door, make sure to go to bestcustomscreens.com. And I guess that's it, right?
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe and select the alert notification. And we'll see you guys next time.